In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send mass emails within Monday Sales CRM in just 5 minutes. Whether you're reaching out to potential clients or keeping in touch with current ones, being able to efficiently send mass communications is vital. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you have a smooth experience every time. Let's start by visiting monday.com. Open your web browser and type in the URL, or simply search for monday.com if that's easier. Once the homepage loads, look to the upper right corner and click on Log In. Now you'll have the option to sign in using several methods. Click on Sign In with Google if you prefer that seamless integration, or alternatively type in the email address associated with your Monday account. If you choose Google, you'll need to find your email address on the list that appears and click on it to proceed. Once logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen and find the dotted square icon. This is your grid menu. Click on it and select CRM from the options available. It's a straightforward way to navigate to the customer relationship management features within Monday. Now navigate to your contacts board. This is where all your email contacts are organized, making it simple to manage whom you're communicating with. Next, you'll want to select the contacts you intend to email. You can manually tick the checkboxes next to each contact for a more tailored approach. But if you're looking to send an email to everyone listed, save time by ticking the checkbox beside the column name at the top. This selects all the contacts in one go. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll see an option for mass email. Click on this to begin composing your email. This tool is incredibly functional, allowing you to craft your message precisely the way you want. Take a moment to think about your subject line and content, making sure it's relevant and engaging for your audience. Once you're happy with your message, there's just one more step. Double check that everything is correct. It's always a good practice to review your email for any typos or errors. When you're ready, click the send button. And just like that, your message will be delivered to everyone you've selected. There you have it, a quick and efficient way to send mass emails through Monday Sales CRM. By following these steps, you're ensuring clear and consistent communication with your contacts. Thanks for tuning in and happy emailing.